beautiful day, making some really good trades, and yup, let's just get into it. And right now we can see that, where's Bitcoin? Why am I not on Bitcoin? I thought I was on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at $17,139. After all, Jerome Powell's speech today announcing to the markets that they will most likely, or there is a very strong possibility that they will be slowing the pace of rate hikes in the coming future. And as you guys can see, the markets loved it because that is a big boy basically chopping sideways until basically we're actually trending down today, and then until Jerome Powell spoke, and then boom, we got our massive rally towards the upside, coming right into resistance right here for the S&P 500. So we just tagged that resistance right there. We took out that 200-day moving average with force, and you guys could even take a look at the Russell 2000 breaking through out of this channel right here. But again, if we come back up and retest this level right around 1923, I would still be bearish, as I am still bearish on the S&P and the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. After all, even the Nasdaq breaking out today, coming back up to here and breaking past this trend line. But overall, nothing is confirmed yet. Tomorrow we still have some very big data, so actually let's take a look at this very quickly just to show you guys what's going to be the data that's going to be coming out tomorrow. I have it right here for you. So again, tomorrow we have the PCE index, right? So if you guys don't know, the PCE does not take into account the same things that the CPI takes into account. The reason the CPI had a big drop in November is that, if you guys didn't see the chart already, I think I posted in one of my videos, but overall the health insurance fell through the floor, plummeted to new lows. The prices never dropped that much ever in history, and that was mostly caused by that. So that won't be reflected at all in the PCE, and it's going to be expected to come in hotter. So we're gonna have to see if it comes in hotter than expected. If it comes in hotter than expected, then the markets will not like that at all, because it will most likely mean that Jerome Powell is going to have forced to be more hawkish. And again, today I thought he was pretty hawkish, but the fact that he said that they are going to be slowing the pace of rate hikes possibly in September, which, by the way, I'm pretty sure the market had already priced that in and knew it. To me, this looks a lot like retail pushing up the market. But again, overall, we're gonna see what the market does, the way she goes. We're just gonna sit patiently on the sidelines and hold our trades and see how it goes. But for the time being, Bitcoin went up very nicely, rallied up to this green vector candle zone to be recovered, or this red vector, or basically just a vector zone to be recovered right here. You are seeing some signs of exhaustion, fatigue, as you say. Brendan from Market Maker is saying that a lot. And again, if you guys think I'm bearish, he's even more bearish than me, so you guys should definitely check out his channel. I'll actually put the link in the description. I'll put it in the comments for you guys tonight. But overall, right now you guys can actually see the DXY opening much lower right here, down to 105.5. But we're gonna have to see how the market reacts to the PCE index. But for the time being, it looks like we're going up, and it is very possible the markets keep floating up until December 13, which is the next CPI report. And if it's even lower then you know what? The markets will most likely keep rallying until something really bad in the economy happens. It's very possible that the Dow Jones does come back up to its all-time high if the markets keep going in this buying spree and inflation keeps falling. But eventually, something will break in the economy, and when that happens, then and only then will you have a big market reversal and a big market crash. But for the time being, markets seem very, very happy rallying right now. I don't think they realize what Jerome Powell is going to do. And after all, he did say today that he will be keeping rates higher than longer than expected, and he's going to, the rates are actually going to have to go much higher than he anticipated. And I don't even think the market cared about that. All they cared about today was that he was going to slow the pace of rate hikes in December, which was already priced in. But overall, let's keep going. Let's take a look at oil quickly. Oil getting a nice bounce from these lows right here, right around $77. but right now we actually are seeing some weakness in the oil stocks, as you guys can see today. Oil coming back up to 111, but it is showing signs of distribution. It could be getting ready to roll over. Same thing for a lot of these stocks right here, like MRO, Halliburton, and I think there was another one, which was this one right here, Occidental Petroleum Corporation, seeing some very big signs of weakness, and potentially could be getting ready to get a big drop down, potentially back down to $50 to $51. But we're gonna have to see how that plays out. And actually, let me just take a look at Apple right here, because Apple is not looking too hot either. We did get a nice rally today in Apple, but again, I expect in Q1 of 2023, once those earnings come out, it will be abysmal, and we could be getting a big drop in Apple as well. Yeah, if you guys think that we're gonna keep rallying till the end of the year and make a new all-time high, leave a like in the description. Sorry, leave a like and smash that like button, and leave a comment in the description and give me your reasoning why. I'm very curious to see why people think we are going to keep making all-time highs, even though these interest rates are extremely high. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening today. Love you all. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna take some well-deserved time off, and I'm gonna leave you to it. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. I've made the Discord free for all members to join, but if you want to see my trades, you got to pay for the subscription. Love you guys.